Unit 2, Reading C. Uncle Bowser hangs a picture. In the last video, we have seen that all the seven, people are standing around him in semicircle, and they are ready to help him. And two of them are holding the chair, and third would give him the third would help him to get up and hold him there on the chair, and the fourth person give him the nail, and the fifth person give him the hammer. So when he received the hammer, he dropped the nail. Who? Uncle Pauser. He dropped the nail, and he says, there. Who? Uncle Pauser. He says, there. He would say in angry voice. Who said? Uncle Pauser. He said, there, in angry voice, and he also said, now the nail is gone. And he said, we would all have to go down on our knees and look for it. Look for what? Look for the nail. And while he was standing, while Uncle Pauser, he was standing on the chair, Uncle Pauser, he shouted and said to the family members that, did all the members want him to kept him there all the evening? Now he's shouting, if he wants to be kept there all the evening. See, he's shouting on the family members, that because all of the family members are searching for the nail, he's shouting on the family members in angry voice, and he's saying with angerness that, do they all want him to keep him, or they want him to be there on the chair by the evening? He's shouting. Now lastly, the nail was found, but when the nail was found, hammer was lost. Now again he's shouting, he's saying, where is my hammer? What did I do with the hammer? Seven of you, he's again shouting on the family members, saying, seven of you are standing around me, and you do not know what I did with the hammer. Again he's shouting upon the family member. And when the hammer is found for him, the Uncle Pauser, he lost the sight of the mark. He forgot the point, or the place, or the spot where he has to nail, or where nail has to go in. So what are the things? When the nail was found, hammer was lost. When hammer was lost, the point where the nail has to go in, the place where they had to put the nail, that point has been forgotten, or they lost the place where the nail has to go in. Now each of us, all the family members, they got up on the chair. At the same time, Uncle Pauser is on the chair, and just beside of his chair, you can see in the picture, with the help of the side ladder, all the family members, one by one, they just try and go up onto the chair and try to find out the point, or the place where the nail has to go in. And each family member, they discovered a different place when they just climbed up, or they go up on the ladder. Each of them find the different place. So Uncle Pauser, he was angry, and he started calling them all fools, one by one after one, or one after another, and tell us to get down. So Uncle Pauser, he asked each of the family members to get down, because all of them are discovering different places. And he would ask for the rule. Rule is one of the instrument that is used to measure. So the rule was asked again, by the help of rule, he measured, and see what is the actual unit, or measurement he has to find out. It's printed in the book, you can see. And find that he wanted half of 31. See how much he wanted. He wanted half of 31 and 3/8 inches. Repeating again, Uncle Pauser, he wanted how much? He wanted half of 31 and 3/8 inches from the corner. Okay, from the corner he wanted half of 31 and 3 8 inches, and he would try to do it in his head and go mad. Now, he wanted half of 31 and 3 8 inches. I just want you to calculate, and find out the exact answer. So Uncle Pauser, from the corner, he wanted half of 31 and 3 8 inches, and he was doing half of 31 in his mind, but while he was calculating in his mind, he go mad. And then each family members, they all tried to count, or to measure, not to measure but to count in their head, and each of them, they got the different result, and they were making noise while they were calculating in their mind. While they were calculating, each of them were making noise. Because of those noise, the original number was forgotten. Okay, what was the original number? The original number was half of 31 and 3 8 inches. So the original number was forgotten, and again Uncle Pauser has to measure from the corner, and it was done again and again. And then he would use a bit of string. So this time string, the rope was used, to measure. And it was again critical moment. Why? And it is written, when the old fool is used for Uncle Pauser. Okay, so when the old fool was trying to reach a spot 3 inches beyond, Uncle Pauser, he was trying to measure by the help of a string to the spot, or to the point, or to the place where the nail has to go in. When Uncle Pauser was possibly reaching the point where the nail has to go in, then the string would slip. That is string which he was holding and measuring with the help of that string from the corner. It was not that big. So he was possibly able to reach, 3 inches beyond, means only 3 inches were left, and then string would slip from his hand. And because the string slipped from his hand, he also fell down onto the piano. And this time, when he fell down onto the piano, finally some musical effect was produced. Why? Because his body was struck, or his head and body was hit with the piano keys. Okay, so that the musical sound was produced. And Aunt Maria, when Uncle Pauser, he fell down onto the piano, Aunt Maria, she said that she would not allow the children to stand around him and hear such language. What language? Aunt Maria, now she's saying that I would not allow my children to stand around you and hear such language. What kind of language? Uncle Pauser continuously calling them fool, and shouting them and calling them idiot or something like that. Such words are, bad words, and Aunt Pauser did not like her children to listen such bad words or such language. Now, at last, Uncle Pauser would find the spot again. Finally, Uncle Pauser, he found the place, or the point, or the spot where the nail has to go in. Now, what happened? He put the point of the nail on it with his left hand. Now, he took the nail on his left hand, and he put it onto the wall, or onto the spot where the nail has to go in his left hand. And in the right hand, he took the hammer, and in the first attempt, he would strike his thumb. He was trying to hit the nail, but by mistake, he strike his thumb and drop the hammer. Because his thumb was hit with the hammer, he dropped the hammer with a loud cry. And there was a loud cry. Why? Because the Uncle Pauser, he himself had hit his left thumb, and he had dropped the hammer, and the hammer dropped on somebody's toe. So there was a loud cry when the hammer fell on somebody's toe. Now Aunt Maria, what she says? She says She would say quietly that next time Uncle Poser was going to hammer a nail into the wall, she hoped he would let her know in time. So Aunt Maria or Aunt Poser, she says, next time if Uncle Poser is going to hammer the nail onto the wall, next time it she is hoping that Uncle Poser will let him know in time, so that she may make some arrangement and she may go and spend a week with her mother while the work is being done in the house. So this is really a funny story. So if you want to understand it, much better, so before watching the video you must uh, read it once, or if you have already watched the video, watch the video again, read the lesson again, you will get the complete story, and you will, sorry, realize that the story itself is really humorous.